got you. Now stop yelling.
Oh, shit!
Yeah, you're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him. Come on, we need to stop this train.
We being robbed.
Kill him now! Cornwall, string us up!
Got a shot on them.
How the hell this happened?
You alright?
Yeah, I'm good.
What is wrong with you boys? Kill him!
How you doing there?
I'm okay. If we...